Habaikiran beginang patai kubor ke Menteri Ketenat Tohkit ke Jela Meghalaya, Dr. Amprin Lingdo. Ilong baka sarkar jela kelashim kia Khynnah hadian balap bila yo ke jingpang wild polio. But ini Khynnah idon hagamet ke bakot bakia. Ilito baka sarkar kan ailat ke World Health Organization bakan Tohkit Jepang yang ke jingpang ke baper ke jingpang polio. But dang abru banyo ke jing betha ke World Health Organization ke ikilat kelenti ki bani bancem mardor. Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilepan pauru bakalong ke bakongsan ban penlong yek program ban pesutu iki kimi kikpa halor ke jingpang kenang bakin long ki bakloi ban paai ya ki injek ya laki kon.
So we have already, the DHS research has already given a statement to the media the other day. WHO is now investigating further. Apparently there was another case identified in some other state, if I'm not mistaken, Rajasthan or something, I'm not sure. Now we need to allow the WHO to further investigate. It's called wild polio. It's a different strain of polio to my understanding. However, government of Meghalaya has focused its attention, health department, we are focusing our attention on this child who was likely diagnosed by a likely strain of polio. So we are in touch with the family of the child and under observation, and I have been briefed that child is okay. So now we need to figure out what is this wild polio. We need to figure out whether the WHO will give us further advisories or whether or not there will be a requirement for the institutioning of a new vaccine which will also cover these new strains, I'm told. Not a medical doctor, but to my understanding, I think that is what this entire story is all about. After so many decades, they find a new strain of polio. I think it was called the wild polio. You see, hesitancy. What is hesitancy? When families refuse to allow their children to undergo a certain vaccine. This is an option left to the public. Therefore, awareness of certain child illnesses which can be detrimental to the growth of a child is very necessary. Several factors are there. Hesitancy is not a new phenomenon. Hesitancy has been there from before. But more or less, with this intricate approach that we now have at our disposal, the ashas going door to door, the doctors, the health providers, the MLHPs, we have a huge battalion now working on various grounds. And hence, this hesitancy now is reducing substantially. However, this is what happens when hesitancy leads to an irrevocable condition of a child, sometimes even fatal.